Tell me why nobody warned you that in your 40s you just stop being able to see things up close like you used to. It was like overnight. I could see small, fine print without a problem, and then I couldn't. Whether it's threading a needle or reading labels, now I'm just holding things farther away, moving them closer, turning the light on, turning the light off, and somehow it always seems blurry even when I have on my glasses. So I decided to purchase this magnifying lamp. I remember my parents having a magnifying glass on their nightstand like all the time. But this one is so much cooler because it has the built-in LED with the 3 different lightings like on all the LED lights these days. But it also has a platform. It also has a gooseneck. So I bought this, for reading labels when I'm doing product reviews and things like that. But now it is a permanent staple on my desk. I use this lamp literally every single day. Sometimes I use it just for the light alone because it's so bright, and you can dim it up and down, so it's really nice. So it comes in the box with everything you need. It even comes with a charging block, which I thought was pretty cool because a lot of things now when you get them from Amazon, they'll have the USB cord but not the block. It also comes with the non-slip grip that you can place on the bottom of the platform. The assembly is super easy. You just basically connect everything and tighten the screw and then plug it in and you're ready to go. I really like the platform feature of it because you don't have to actually hold it. So you can use both hands to place whatever you need in front of the magnifying glass. So whether you have trouble seeing or not, or you're just using this for maybe some sort of crafts or jewelry repair or whatever the case may be, I really love this lamp. This is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money because I wanted to use it, and I literally use it every single day.